there, love. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you here. I know you're not used to me not moving around, but today I thought I would switch it up a little bit and share with you my everyday makeup look. This look, I have no concealer on. It's just a few products that are easily available and products that I love so much. I love this. I usually do this not every single day, but on the days where I have a little bit more time in the morning and I want to look a little bit more put together. I do have a version whereby it's an everyday, like 10 minutes where I do not have time. Let me know if you want to see that version, but this is easy as well. And yeah, if you dig this vibe, kindly subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And before I talk too much, let's get into the look. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with my primer. This is the primer that I'm using today. It's all I have found and I think it's going to do the work. I'm not sure. I do not use much. This is how much I use, and I'm going to apply it on my forehead, on my nose, or rather just the T-zone area, because that is where I get super oily. As I let that sit, I'm going to work on my eyebrows, and I usually use this eye pencil. I either use the Davis and this one. I just have this one right now. I know they look weird, I hate them too, but that's where the magic of cleaning out your eyebrows comes in. So I'm just going to brush them so that I can feather out the front. And this is where I differ from a lot of people. I usually go in with my foundation to clean up everything. So I do not use concealers for my everyday makeup. I usually use my foundation and powders, and that's just it. I'm not gonna lie, this is the part that takes most of my time when I'm doing my makeup, and once it's done, I'm usually like, yeah, my makeup is like done. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to do the rest of my face, and this is the foundation that I use now. This I use a brush. I know most of you hate brushes, but I use a brush. Do you see that finish? That's what I was talking about. Like, I am now going to set my entire face with this palette right here, and you can already tell which shade I already used. This is the shade that I used. So now you're going to contour and highlight, and as I said, I do not use concealers on an everyday basis. So if there's an area that needs extra attention, I'm going to add a little bit more foundation, and then I'm going to use the same palette to highlight. But for contour, I got myself this compact powder by Luron, and it is the perfect contour shade for me. Yeah, I thought it was my perfect face shade, but then again, yeah. So the only area that I'm going to add for more foundation today is around this area right here, just so that it is just a teensy bit brighter, and I'm going to let that sit for a while. I know I'm looking crazy right now. It seems like nothing is blended, but I'm going to go back to the brush that I used to set my entire face, and I'm just going to blend everything together with no product whatsoever. I look way better already, so I'm going to set what I already have, and I usually use, is it rose water? Yeah, rose water with glycerin, and I just transfer it into this spray bottle. So okay, now that that is set, as you can see, my face looks like one right now. Let's do my my eyeshadow, and for that I am going to be using this palette right here. This, I love it. It has no name, but this is how it looks on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. I use this for my highlights, for my eyeshadow, for my blush, everything else that I need to do on my face now. I'm going to use this. But let's first start with the eyeshadow, because my face is still setting and I do not want to disturb that. So I feel like doing something natural today because there's a lot I'm going to be doing. So, and for an everyday look, this is definitely what I would do. So I'm going into this brown shade right here. Oh my god, I'm so new to this. And then I'm going to dive into this one just to bring out some more warmth into the eyes. And now I'm going to go into my contour shade, this right here, and I'm going to use that at the corners of my eyes just to bring out some sort of depth. And there you go. Now the last step is brightening this area right here. So I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to be using a highlight shade, and I want it to be neutral, so I'm going to go with this shimmer right here, not the blue one, the right next to it. And that's it. Now let's highlight and blush. I usually do that at the same time. I usually use these three shades right here, the pink one, the shimmer red one, and then the red one. And that's my blush and that's my highlight at the same time. I do not do much because honestly, I don't know why. Now let's line my eyes. I usually do a top and bottom line. I use the same pencil, and this is a scary part. How I do it is really weird because yeah, it might make you uncomfortable, okay? And there you go. You see how quick that was? Yeah. You see the difference between this and this? I just look more awake on this side. So let's do the other side. Well, it doesn't take me long when I do that, so it's a win for me. So that's it. That's what I usually do. Let me just do my mascara. I do not do eyeliner, and then I'll come back. Mascara is done, and I just bring back that black color on my lashes that was taken away by all the products. Now let's do my lips. This is really my favorite part. I usually use this lip gloss right here. It's color changing. It stains your lips reddish pinkish color, so I usually apply it either on the outline or on the insides, and today I feel like applying it on the insides of my lips. I should have applied this way earlier so that I can get the tint and then wipe it off. But we're just gonna wait, okay? As we wait, let's set our face. Okay, so it's wiped as you can see, and I have the tint. I'm going to use the same eye pencil, lip pencil, whatever it is. And then I go with this lip balm, the Luron lip balm. Now this smells so nice. It tastes so nice. I know I'm not supposed to be eating it, but it tastes like cake, biscuits. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, so I like it so much. So I do not like it mixing with all these other things. So I just apply it with my fingers. This is just to give it that shine, just a little bit of shine, not too much. And yeah, that's it. This is my makeup, like my everyday makeup. Now if I'm in a hurry, I take out some steps, but basically this is how I usually look. I love this. Let me do my hair and I can show you the whole look, you know. And this is my finished look. I love this so much. It's so simple, straight to the point, and really cute and really clean. Let me know what you think of this look in the comment section. And also, if you want to see a version where I do not use any foundation, I also have that for days where I'm like, this needs to be quick but I need to look put together and cute. Yeah, I have that version. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section. It's really easy, really cute. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.